It's not easy going it alone, but if you keep going, stay true to yourself, it will be worth it in the end. The hardest walk you can make is the walk you make alone. But that is the walk that makes you the strongest. That is the walk that builds your character the most. To all of your fighting battles alone, to all of your going against the grain, battling the naysayers, stay strong, keep going. Stay strong, keep going. This walk is hard, but the hardest walk leads to the greatest destination. The toughest climbs always lead to the best view. It will be worth it in the end. And if you show what you are made of, the right people will show up in your life. You won't be a lone wolf forever. You have qualities only few can admire, because most don't possess. You have strength only few can understand, because most have never experienced. So don't give in, don't settle, don't lower your expectation to fit into the world. You are born to stand out. You are born to lead the pack. They say the wolf on the hill is never as hungry as the wolf climbing the hill. Always be that wolf climbing the hill. Always hungry for more. Always hungry to grow, to feed your mind, and rise to the highest level you can take yourself. Never looking back, always looking forward to the next feast of success. In whatever you do, it doesn't matter. If you have to walk alone for a while, it is much better to walk alone in the right direction than to follow the herd walking in the wrong direction. Stay strong, be different. Your destiny is in your hands. Get out there and hunt it. Success can be lonely road, it can be tough road, it can be hard road. It's not for everyone. Those who follow others like sheep will never know who they will truly are. Only those who follow their own path can discover their true potential. Those who fly alone have the strongest wings. Those who walk alone have the strongest direction. The rest will always be in need of others for their survival. They will always need attention, need recognition to survive. I'm at peace alone, needing no attention, no recognition, and still I thrive. I'm not saying those who have sport are weak. I'm not saying you must go it alone. To gain strength, this is just for those who have fought battles alone. Those who have felt like they don't fit in. Those who have never had sport in anything they do. All of those who feel no one believes in them. You don't need them to believe in you. If you believe in you, you don't need their support. If you got your own back, the best part is when you truly live the life you want to live. When you speak your truth, when you embrace who you are, when you gain real respect and real love. People love those who have the guts to be themselves, those who have the courage to follow their heart. Why? It's rare. Why? Because most people wish they could do the same. Show them the way. Keep going. Believe in yourself. It will all come good in the end. And when it does, you won't have only inspired yourself to be more. You will have inspired so many others. I had to learn to fight alone, and because of that, I'm strong alone. I'm strong, full stop. I develop inner strength that can't be broken. I'm unbreakable because of the pain. I'm strong. Because of the struggle, I have character most will never know. I appreciate others more than ever. I have more compassion than ever. I had to go deep into the darkness. Now I have more depth. Now I can see clear. I hate to face huge internal challenges. Now I can defeat any challenge. I will destroy every challenge. I'm proud of who I have become. I'm proud I have overcome. I'm proud I kept going. I'm proud of who I am, who I've become. I'm proud I stayed true to myself. because no I can live as myself, with respect from others and most importantly, pride and respect from myself.